Hey guys, the brand sent me this racetrack set for free so I can check it out and create this video. I wanted to show you the features and how it works. Now, before I set it up and show you how it works, I wanted to run through some of the features. Now, the first thing about this, you're gonna get two cars here and they can race side by side on this track. Now, these are not just ordinary cars, they're wind-up cars. You can pull them back, there they go. Now, you don't have to race with these cars. You can use any 1/64th car like Hot Wheels or Matchbox. The track itself is very high quality. You can see how thick it is here. It's made out of a very strong PVC material. You're gonna get two strong suctions over here, the rope to hang it, and this suction hook here. Now this one you can put on any smooth surface like tile, glass, your refrigerator, or any smooth wall. You're just gonna put it on, flip it like so. Now it's stable. Once it's on the wall, you're just gonna hook the track like so and you're ready to race. Okay, now I'm gonna set up in my house and show you how it works. Now you can see I set it up on the glass on my door here. Now once it's set up, you can make loops, you can design the course any way you like. On this one, you can see I have one loop. I'm gonna wind up the car slightly, put it on the track, and there it goes. You can see the loop. I'm gonna show you now from a different angle. You can see how quick these cars go and how agile they are. So there are several ways you can set it up. Your kids can be creative with it. It's also portable, winds up like so, and you can take it anywhere. It's high quality, it's fun, it's gonna spark your kids' engineering skills, and I would definitely recommend this if you're looking for a gift, either for a birthday, Christmas, or any holiday.